Welcome to the Reminders tutorial. The Reminders feature helps you ensure nothing is forgotten with each client record. You can create a list of items that must be marked as completed for each client record. There are also visual cues in the client list that help you see at a glance which charts have an outstanding required reminder. The Tasks feature is also a powerful tool that can be used for similar purposes. The benefit of the Reminders feature is that it is a predefined list of items that must be completed or reviewed for every chart. The Tasks feature, on the other hand, is valuable for assigning key tasks to a user in the practice to be completed by a certain date. Please watch our task tutorial for more information. To demonstrate the Reminders feature, we will open the demo practice by pressing Take a Tour from the login screen. From here, we will open any client record. Then we will tap on the Reminders button on the toolbar. This is the default list of items, which is customizable from the Settings section. By tapping on an item, we can mark the item as performed, discussed, or not applicable. The reminder item also changes to a gray color so that it is easy to tell at a glance what items are remaining. At the very bottom of the list are note templates. Please watch our note template tutorial for more information on that feature. If we cycle past the not applicable status, the reminder will be set to required and turn red. This status is used to highlight this reminder as not only incomplete, but also to indicate that it really needs to be done. If we go back to the client list, we will see the two new blue labels on the right side of the client thumbnail. These labels contain the first two letters of the required reminders. So at a glance, we can scan through the client list and see any important required reminders that are outstanding. Notice also that when we open the client, we see a badge indicator over the reminder button, indicating that 2 reminders are required. Now let's look at how to customize the reminder list. To do this, we will press the Home button to get back to the client list. Then we will press the Settings section tab at the bottom. Then press the Prenatal Reminders sub-tab on the left side. From here, all the reminders and reminder groups are displayed. Press the Edit button in the upper right corner to enter edit mode. Then we can delete any reminders by pressing the minus sign next to any reminder item. We can drag the gripper bar on any reminder to move it within the group. Finally, we can add a new reminder by typing into the bottom row. If we want to modify the groups, we can press Groups on the toolbar and then Edit. From here, we can delete groups, change group order, or add a new group. One additional feature we added a few months ago is the ability to make a reminder required for all clients. To do this, we can tap on the reminder. Keep in mind that we are not in edit mode. By tapping on a reminder item, a menu appears that lets us set the reminder to required. Additionally, we can make a reminder required by certain weeks gestation or postpartum. As an example, I will tap on the Payment in Full reminder and set it to required, and then set the weeks gestation to 37 weeks. I will also set the Copy ID insurance card to be required regardless of gestational age. Now if we go back to the client list, we will see the 2 first letters of the Copy Insurance Card reminder notated on every client record. Also, we will see the Payment in Full reminder notated on just clients that are more than 37 weeks gestation. We can quickly open a few of these client records and mark the reminder as completed. A green check mark appears on clients where all required reminders are completed. Let's demonstrate how we can use the reminder feature to make sure charting by students are signed off by a preceptor. First, we will add a new reminder named Sign Off Prenatal Visit. Actually, let's put it in a new group called Sign Off. That way we can add other sign-off reminders such as Sign Off Postpartum Visit and Sign Off Labor and Delivery. Then let's open a client record and set the Sign Off Prenatal Visit to Required. This is what a student would do after charting a prenatal. Now the preceptor can scan through the client list and see if there is any required label on any of the client thumbnails. And here on this client, we can see SI for Sign Off Prenatal Visit. Lastly, I want to demonstrate how reminders can be attached to a visit. Let's open a client record and navigate to the prenatal section. From here, we can open a prenatal and scroll down to the completed reminders field. If any reminders are tapped while this prenatal is open, they will be notated under the completed reminder field here. Then notes can be entered next to a reminder. That completes our reminder tutorial. Thanks for watching.